Hello again and welcome to another episode of
Jackson, the Space Dog!
That's Me! On today's episode, we'll talk about Pythagorean triples. Pythagorean triples are very useful when dealing with the measurements of right triangles. A Pythagorean triple is a set of three whole numbers that form the sides of a right triangle. That means that the three numbers must satisfy the Pythagorean equation a squared plus b squared equals c squared. This example shows three sides, 3 inches, 4 inches, and 5 inches, and we can see that they satisfy the Pythagorean equation because 3 squared plus 4 squared equals 5 squared, and they are all whole numbers, so they are a Pythagorean triple. Let's look at another example. Hey, Carl!
Oh, hey, Jackson.
This example shows three sides, 5 inches, 12 inches, and 13 inches. And we can see that they also satisfy the Pythagorean equation because 5 squared plus 12 squared equals 13 squared. And they are also whole numbers. So they are also a Pythagorean triple. This example is not a Pythagorean triple. Even though all three numbers are whole numbers, they do not satisfy the Pythagorean equation because 7 squared plus 9 squared does not equal 10 squared. This example is also not a Pythagorean triple. Even though the three numbers do satisfy the Pythagorean equation, they are not all whole numbers. So, let's review. A Pythagorean triple is a set of three whole numbers that form the sides of a right triangle, and they must satisfy the Pythagorean equation a squared plus b squared equals c squared. There are many Pythagorean triples, but the two main ones that we've been talking about in this video so far are the 3, 4, 5 is a Pythagorean triple because all three numbers are whole numbers and it satisfies the Pythagorean equation 3 squared plus 4 squared does equal 5 squared. The 5, 12, 13 is also a Pythagorean triple because all three numbers are whole numbers and it satisfies the Pythagorean equation 5 squared plus 12 squared does equal 13 squared. So now I'll exit using our cool new drum riser. We bought it from a heavy metal band. See you next time on
Jackson, the Space Dog!
That's Me!